Pet Central and other veterinary clinics frequently see dogs suffering from Lick Granuloma. Lick granuloma, or acral lick dermatitis, is a behavioral problem found primarily in large breed dogs that vexes pet owners and veterinarians alike. While there are numerous causes and treatments for Lick granuloma, there is no single sure cure. Not all treatments work. Foul-smelling substances such as bitter apple sprays may inhibit licking short-term, but don't last and require frequent reapplications. And of course, there's the Elizabethan collar, uncomfortable for the pet. Well, now there is a new way to curb Lick granuloma that is fast, non-invasive, and non-medicinal, that provides lasting pet comfort. Introducing StopLik, a unique and effective way to help pets kick the lick habit. StopLik is a lick deterrent aid that stops the habitual licking that can cause open sores. It also discourages pets from removing bandages during healing, allowing the open sores to be more successfully treated. StopLik is made of a flexible poly material that delivers a very mild electric stimulus to the pet's tongue when licked. The device is safe to touch. The moisture of the tongue completes a closed circuit to deliver the light stimulus, about 1/200th the voltage of a small shock from static electricity. StopLik comes in easy-to-store dispensers with 12 strips to a box. The devices are color-coded and come in 1 5/8 or 3-inch widths. The green and blue devices are for dogs moderately addicted to licking, while the orange and purple devices are for pets with stronger licking habits. StopLik is powered by small lithium batteries similar to the ones used in watches. StopLik can be applied over a cohesive flex-type bandage. StopLik comes in lengths that can be trimmed to the size that is needed. Here's how to activate and apply StopLik. Remove the brown paper backing from the front of the device on the battery end. Fold the end over so the B symbol is placed onto the top of the battery. The target holes should line up with each other. Press the material firmly onto and around the battery to ensure activation. For leg applications, remove the white backing material from the StopLik. Apply StopLik over the bandage, starting with the battery end. Wrapping around the bandage and back over itself, just past the battery, allowing a 1-inch overlap. Trim off the excess material with a scissors so the breathe holes are not sealed off. Make sure StopLik completely covers the bandage. For other than leg applications, fold the battery end back onto the adhesive on the back side of StopLik. Now, StopLik is ready to be applied to the bandaged area. StopLik starts to work immediately and is simple to use, effective, and safe for the dog. StopLik works on a high percentage of all sizes and breeds of dogs to provide instant relief to pet and owner alike. Although StopLik is primarily for Lick granuloma, veterinarians are also using it to stop both dogs and cats from pulling at IVs, dislodging catheters, ripping out seton drains, or licking surgical sites, both on legs and torsos. StopLik's adhesive is strong, making it difficult for the pet to remove. The pet should be kept inside as much as possible during healing, and out of rain or wet grass, which will shorten the life of the StopLik batteries. Batteries can be expected to last 5 to 7 days. Best of all, pet and owner acceptance of StopLik is very high. Unique, fast results, simple and safe, stops licking without drugs or other more severe treatments. To learn more about StopLik, visit www.stoplik.com. Kick the lick habit with StopLik.